Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CDEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. And before anything else, because it was such a big price movement, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of both those levels. Sure, they still pertain. They're just both irrelevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states that when you have levels like this that come down and bounce off of it several times, in this situation, basically 4 separate occasions, the price bounced off of 40 cents, you would want to consider that a level of support, and you would definitely want to see the price continue to hold above that level. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 40, then that implies that this entire chart is epically destroyed. But yeah, as far as the rule is concerned, preferably speaking, you would definitely want to see the price stay above that area. Now, if it doesn't, and then taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of things, as far as judging the health of the overall movement, that right there being defined as the movement. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 40 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, initial level to watch going to be right up there at the 46 cent mark, and a 46 can be broken. Next key area after that, right up around the 50 cent mark. But all in all, any way I look at it, great movement today. And as long as the price keeps on chipping away with those higher lows, that's the name of the game. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.